Executive Committee ka KHADC kalawanra santali ki anyro hakani ka dorbar kerpang kabalong menta ka arpho tarik nailur araja arpho lai kini ki anyro ki long ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council trading by non-tribal rules araja arpho lai ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill araja arpho lai artali naki ka yeng kala manjur ban hap ya tai sani baha kabakan thup ya ka Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill araja arpho but the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council nomination election and appointment of the CM, Deputy CM Lingdo, Menteri Sordar and administration of non-clause imship bill araja arphaulai namari kane la phaidien but wan ra biang namar kadon kam kajing penbet kababun but yakane kumbalaya thu the deputy CM balaya lang ringkat kajing ajing mut kahima non-clau kidekhot kaliang persha kilapan pawe kajing khluj but kajing persha ya kajing yo athmit por palat kajing pentip yakimat hakabana kaliang jongki kila ainia bakimla ban ailat ban ya chaprang naba omtip yakimat yakran
Mr. Teacher Mansur, Meshibun, Nampak Rikala, Lahai, Budi Bamara, the statement to care and the special session having a sleep of staff. The concept of a yacht, what a shot and prevent a report of the Executive Committee in the matters pertaining to the supplementary statement of expenditure in relation to the District Council budget 2023-24. Hamko Mashpat makes up the report is placed before the Council in pursuit of Rule 111 and 120 of the Assam Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 of Constitution. Akan itu Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, please report. Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, I write this statement showing the estimated amount of expenditure as per nature in relation to the District Council budget 2023-24. The report is placed before the Council in pursuit of Rule 111 and Rule 120 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 for consideration, sir.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I beg you to report that the Council in this session passed the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 from the 21st July 2022 and sent to the Government for assent to the GCA, Government of Meghalaya, by letter number 7 August 2023. The Law Department made a provision regarding some provision that are not in synonymous with the Drainage Act 1997. The same provision that have put in the prohibition to practice long followed as infringing on the rights and personal liberty of a person. The Executive Committee have gone through the resolution being necessarily referred to the Advisory Committee on Law and Traditional Affairs under the Chairmanship of Shri B. Amlanam. The Executive Committee has served and deliberated on the observation and have submitted the report on 20 September 2020. A copy of the same is placed before the House. As such, we deem it fit to send the resolution of the State Committee to the Government Media to be referred to the approval of the Government of the Bill as passed by the session. Thank you for the House for consideration. Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg you to report that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2021 was passed by this House on the 21st July 2022. Therefore, by letter number dated 14 August 2023, the Social Affairs Department, Government of Meghalaya, made certain observations that are not in harmony with regard to the tribunal and appellate authority requiring modification and alterations. For it is deemed necessary to incorporate some customary practice that are necessary and vital. Such modification and incorporation have changed the structure, pitch, and substance of the current bill passed 21st July 2022. Therefore, necessitating Therefore, to enable the FC committee to introduce the letter bill, namely the Council Administration of Ilaka, Second Amendment Bill 2023, the error bill may be recalled. Placed before the House for consideration.
Play report about Nagaland isi kita report kasih termas district administration kasih amendment bill kepada ahli way. Dari ini mengulang tempat doa butuh mereka ini mahu mener ini. Kalau kuat kau ikut lembaga hidung pun dia kemerdekaan. Bagaimana mereka Appointment and Succession of Chief Management Act 1959. The Appointment and Succession of Chief Management 1959. Kadai kebang appoint yang dihadman untuk berpasang. Ini kata Administration of Malacca Act. Kafe kami yang create Islam Hub bakam tahu seperti ini pak sudah. Dengan situasi bisa, bah ini bah aku mereka dah, bah ya powers and function bah kejauhan kihatnya lagi right nak enggak coba kita tahu. No, nomor appointment bagi jauh kita, kalau powers and function bah kawan kita. Bersih observation di luar, masih itu dia dalam masalah. Maka amendment kepada Sun Clause 5, the amendment of Section 6 of the Principal Act. Already but tribunal. Larang apa? Nah, lihat begini. Apa dia kata? Atau first amendment kalau kita kata ladder, ladder. Jadi nasibah bagi sambil jadi bayo di sana yang kepada ladder pada first amendment. Kita kepada nasibah bagi check. Jadi kalau kita detail begini bisa baca buku kita amendment yang itu disebut.
Negara Junaru, semua kerjaan jadi kepada negara di leader Islam di dalam power itu. Nah, kemudian buat mereka hasil autonomous district administration mereka ke principal act kemudian mereka act kemudian kedua saya yang diambil di bawah kata dong kembalikan sekemat kemudian itu akan the creation of villages, but apa the settlement of boundaries led by one man tribunal. Ketika juga isu kebangan semua, abang ngapain look lihat ketika bill terbang mentah introduce. Mesti dipikir cuma soal ini. Dan harga peraturan Julai, senang ada ketika House unanimously kalau dia pass dia ada 9 amendment bill, jom ke Appointment and Succession of Chief Management Act. Harga pada power and function of the Rangwashno, Sodashno, Nutrishno, lagat berinsaf dulu. Nanti power and function of the Dorvashno itu kaba ngayon ibu-ibuan orang yang bekerja isi mentah untuk terwawat itu, lagat berinsaf dulu. Dengan orang itu yang status, jom kata itu bill kepada pas, peraturan itu bukan Julai, harga Quran, kemudian macam senang. But sebab itu yang ketika report, jom kena ikut kata dengan state. Itu kan ketika nulis typing. Nama kecil sisa, yang ketika amendment bill, jom ke ilaka administration, harga akui. Kami bagi pas aku ini Julai acara. Nama aku mungkin atau
ya session Frederick July terhadap antara pas sekali juga. Jadi mat dalam ini akan berutang dengan kalian jauh di deputisi ya di saat mencari ini. Dia kata bahwa naga yang lain memang berbeda apa yang sesuatu dan bahwa nilai pas mereka di bawah Frederick July bahwa nilai dan harus gubernur berhistori mana. Desa itu mentah politik itu sebetulnya bahwa mentah ini di bawah dibagi lagi sana dengan
kasus abolisional ketika ada purely atau manipulation dapat administration dari dalam dia kebanyakan hakarulnya masalah legally berapa yang mesti nama kontak awal bang senaannya kan mesti agak sedikit. Nah important bang senaannya kan nanti benar. Kalau ini mak bang terkam, jadi kita terkam di luar sana, di luar background, sensor nasional, ada, mana yang itu. Tak tahu apa nama ini, bah kenapa kalau flu nanti terhadap ini berangkat legal ini. Jadi orang muslim pada fasa dengan dasar abang itu di jurnal yang kami sahaja sini. Bapak kami juga misalnya kami di Islam. Nanti apa lagi kami ini? Kami tadi nampak yang mengatakan hari nanti. Mereka di Australia untuk jadi Ninth Amendment Bill yang bernaik 1959. Apa sebenarnya yang bernaik atau ini yang mana pun itu solusi. Karena bapak Timur terbuka, sus bala empower mandiri dapat. Tahu mana ini? Ia adalah hikmah dari Asia Timur. Akan dipanggil Nafis nama apa? Mudah-mudahan. Anyway, Henry yang mau jomi kalau nama bapa ilaka administration atau ilaka administration ilaka 1990 Rasnaya kan naga F kepada lu pilih administration naga tu naga F ilaka orang itu administration bakal bila sekarang Kenyong kani ka bagai kamu. Su amen be ya kan. Nomor ilaka dan be kalau no. Akan disuri ilaka dan be dan be sunu ada. Jadi sana ya kan. Nah, maka kasya bila ya besi. Nah, itu. Tak tahu yang bah hal itu mana. Kalau dapat nama boleh Usnong become an administration rules. Usang sama become any provision of law. Usang not be upaya contribute ada por law and order COVID undang provision. Kentek not dikis ni wajah sama tahu rahasia orang mana mana. Ada orang di mana tahu. Ada orang buruk ini di bawah. Napai ilagay nagwa ang mga restore thoroughly. Sabi nga tibo amin na. Napai restore thoroughly kan diyan. Pero buat orang bahawa dia support dia minta mereka. Sesuatu bisa ada semua mengadakan program. Maka ini hari ini macam mana? Nama dia orang pekbong tidak mengerjakan. Atau ini pada dalam orang itu tidak berdiri. Jadi kalau bagi important. Nama apa? Berfirman di Kisah Tahu. Itu iman apa? Ka Kisah Ainaga, Jin Kisah Naga. Kalau itu, supaya kalau ada ini juga ni, kalau kita sebut Kisah Tahu. Kita Saya dapat yang dia punya diskus berarti itu kan dia memang bukan diskus berapa namanya kan kita yang pesan
Yang murah. Amendment. Kita boleh lihat berkas maka berbuat di belakang kita ada dalam. Ini hak kita pak yo kayak terjadi. But awas dan konsep pak dihimat dalam. Kata apa? Tolong saya berikan discussion.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to move that leave be granted to introduce the Class A Autonomous District Admission of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023.
Motion moved is that we be granted to introduce the Hazards Autonomous District Council and the decision of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023. May you again? So we introduce the Hazards Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 is granted. Please introduce the bill.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to introduce the Class A Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023.
The Hazards Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 has now been introduced. Please move for consideration of the bill.
I like to move that the Class A Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 be now taken into consideration.
Motion moved. Hazards Autonomous District, heading by Travis Cruz 2019. Even Charles, please.
Chairman, sir, I beg to report that the Executive Committee under Rule 29 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rule 1951 because the Constitution of the South Kasi Hills Autonomous District 39 Rule 2019 in Meghalaya Gazette on 2nd May 2019. Subsequently, as required under the aforesaid Rule 29 and 30 of the Daily Rule 1951, the Hazards Autonomous District Training Guidelines Rule 2019 was placed and passed by the Council decision in July 2019. Further, Vice Letter Number DCA 54/82/215, dated 11 March 2020, the DCA Department observed that amendment of the rule is not simply by using a notification or by executive decision, but the same has to be submitted to the Governor for assent in terms of paragraph 10, bracket 3 of the 6th schedule. Given the fact that the circumstances as stated above, the Executive Committee after an in-depth examination of the rules deemed it necessary to have a categorization of traders, business, service, etc., and to revise such set of license needs to commensurate with the type of quantum of traders, trade, business, etc., dealing in and with the nature of service, and decided to recall the aforesaid Rule 2019 and replace the same with a new rule, namely the Hazards Autonomous District Trading Rule 2023. Accordingly, the Hazards Autonomous District Trading Rule 2019, which has been passed by this August House, may be recalled. Placed before the House for consideration.
The report is placed before the House. I ask them whether there are decisions. The mark of the decision. The ink of the report. Have you got a ink of the report? Here in charge, please move for leave to introduce the rule now. Introduction and constitution of the Hazards of the District Trading by Tribals Amendment Rules 2023. Please.
Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, I beg to move that the youth be granted to introduce the classes autonomous principle training guidance of the Amendment 2023.
Motion moved that we granted to introduce the classes of non-autistic training by non-travelers amendment rules 2020. Sorry, to introduce the classes of non-autistic training by non-travelers amendment rules 2023 is granted. Please introduce the rules now here, please.
Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, I beg to introduce the classes autonomous principle training by non-travelers Amendment 2023.
The classes of non-autistic training by non-travelers amendment rules 2023 has now been introduced. Please move for consideration of the rules here.
Mr. Chairman Sir, I beg to move that the Cassius Autonomous District Training by non-travelers Amendment 2023 be now taken into the consideration.
Motion moved is that the classes of autonomous district training by non-travelers amendment rules 2023 be now taken into consideration. The motion is before the House. Lab and discuss the original principles of the rules having report that the rules 81 Jangka Asam Amerika Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 as amended. The amendment taken point shall strictly ensure that the judgment of Kendai Anjata Plan and Science President yet the rules clause methods absolutely apply Anjata Plan. The report of the District Committee in the matter of classes of the District nomination, election, and appointment of the scheme, deputy scheme, Lindor, Menteri, Soda, and administration of non-clause initiative 2022.
Mr. Chairman Sir, I beg to report, Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, I beg to report that the Cassius Autonomous District nomination, election, and appointment of the scheme, degree scheme, Lindor, Menteri, Soda, Commission of Non-Clause Initiative Bill 2022 was passed by this August House on the 8th July 2022, letter by number 7 August 2023. The disposal of the Department Government of India by certain observation regarding still some provision of clause that require modification and alterations. Although it is deemed necessary to incorporate some customary practice that have left out in the earlier amendment, such modification and incorporation have changed the structural page and substance of the earlier bill passed on the 8th July 2022, thereby necessitating in bringing a fresh bill. Therefore, the Honorable Committee introduced the fresh bill, namely the Housing and Compensation, Nomination, Election, and appointment of the scheme, the scheme, Menteri, and Soda, admission of non-clause bill 2023, the earlier bill passed on 8/7/2022 may be recalled. Placed before the House for consideration.
The report is placed before the House. Without any business.
Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir, kini ketika bill power report pas dengan House must be public Julai 29 Dia disuruh bagi bill berkala nanti nilai ke gubernur Malaysia kita sakut DCA bahkan DCA seperti ini kalau mari consideration naga executive committee ini ke district council yang kita tu kerja bentar sih dibeli bentar lebih baik report dia mesti dipercaya besar Aswa bagi saya introduce dia menjadi kedua ini. Karena kalian juga nasu dia kejenisai. Atau kita di observation di long complicated atau tahu. Nama kita kalau day kahima rekat pada district council lembaga department bagi kita di observation di dalam juna yang tay tidak yang dalam baik pada department kita. Mereka itu memberi introduce nya. Nasional kita di observation di dalam kita ada kata bahwa kalian juga hima
the major changes. Dengan selalu di Sulawesi Selatan korek tanda isi nama daftar berhubung dibentak. Jadi selalu kami akan mengahli dan pol dan Indonesia kita. Pada kami ada tanda tanda isi tentang yang bincang adalah semua yang biu tentang iman. Dalam major operation kita menolak bicycle ini kalau problem ini dan dalam kapal itu mereka akan berinvestasi.
Paying kemudian di report. Hadir pada yang kemudian di report, this year please move to leave the introduction and construction of the hazards of the system, nomination, election and appointment of the state, the president, the country, Sardar and administration of non-cloud station the
Mr. Jumansa, I will move that leave be granted to introduce the parcel of the most nomination, election and appointment of team to team. Then go up and please for that motion of non-councilship, bill 2023.
Motion moved that leave be granted to introduce the classes of the nomination, election and appointment of the state, the president, the country, Sardar and administration of non-cloud station the 2022. Paying again. So to introduce the classes of the logistic, nomination, election and appointment of the state, the president, the country, Sardar and administration of non-cloud station the 2023 is granted. This includes the now.
Mr. Jumansa, I beg to introduce the parcel of the nomination, election and appointment of the state, the law, Ministry, Sardar, and of non-councilship, bill 2023.
The classes of the logistic, nomination, election and appointment of the state, there is in the countries that the position of non-cloud station bill, the 2023 has now been introduced. Please move for consideration of the bill.
Mr. Jumansa, I beg to move that the parcel of the nomination, election and appointment of the state, Ministry, Sardar, and administration of non-councilship, bill 2023 be now taken into consideration.
Motion moved that the classes of the logistic, nomination, election and appointment of the state, there is in the government, administration of non-cloud station bill 2023 be now taken into consideration. The motion is before the House. Learn and discuss the general principles of bill handling for Ketum Rules 88.1 Jelasan and the Autonomous System Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 as amended. Yeki amendment date of the voice of Supreme Surat Al-Jadid Al-Adil 9 considering the bill process of the something and
kuat diskusi dengan kuat tempat kita belum bukti baik ini kuat bukti hak bukti dengan ibu ada je tempat ini orang ada je mana ibu dan juga pada saya